Understanding further the concept, let us try to answer a few set of Q&A pairs for facts about futures and options in the stock market. Now let us deep dive into options also in question answer form to better understand the concept and get trading sense in options also. What are options contracts? Options contracts provide the right, but not the obligation, to buy, call, or sell, put, assets at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. They are actively traded on exchanges like NSE, National Stock Exchange, and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Why are index options popular? Index options, like Nifty options, are among the most traded due to their popularity. They allow investors to speculate on the broader market's direction. How do strike prices work? Options have specific strike prices, allowing traders to choose from a range. These strike prices determine whether an option is in the money, at the money, or out of the money. What influences option premiums? Option premiums are influenced by factors like the underlying asset's price, volatility, time to expiration, and interest rates. These factors impact an option's value. What are American-style options? American-style options in India can be exercised at any time before or on the expiration date. They provide more flexibility compared to European-style options, which can only be exercised at expiration. What are option sellers? Option sellers, writers, receive premiums but take on the obligation to fulfill the contract if the buyer decides to exercise. They play a critical role in options markets. What are common option strategies? Option strategies include covered calls, protective puts, straddles, and iron condors. These strategies help traders manage risk and profit from various market conditions. How does options trading work? Options trading involves both buyers and sellers. Buyers pay a premium to sellers for the right to buy, call, or sell, put, an underlying asset. Sellers earn premiums but accept potential obligations. What are option Greeks? Option Greeks, like delta, gamma, theta, and vega, help traders assess how options react to changes in factors like price, volatility, time, and interest rates. What are long-term options, LEAPs? India introduced long-term options, LEAPs, on the Nifty 50 index. These options cater to investors looking for extended expiration dates and provide more flexibility in trading. Who participates in the options market? Speculators and hedgers actively participate in the options market, contributing to liquidity and price discovery. It's a diverse market with various participants. How do in the money and out of the money options work? Understanding in the money ITM, at the money ATM, and out of the money OTM options is crucial. ITM options have intrinsic value, ATM options have no intrinsic value, and OTM options have no intrinsic value and are speculative. What are the roles of option buyers and sellers? Option buyers pay a premium for the right but not the obligation to execute the option. Sellers receive premiums but have the obligation to fulfill the contract if the buyer chooses to execute. What is the expiry day for stock index options? Stock index options in India typically expire on the last Thursday of the contract month, or the previous trading day if that Thursday is a holiday. This is an important date to note for options traders. What are the different contract durations for options? Options trading offers various contract durations, including near month, next month, and far month contracts. Traders can choose contracts that align with their trading strategies and time frames. What is the role of weekly options? The introduction of weekly options on popular indices like Nifty has increased trading opportunities. Weekly options provide shorter time frames for traders looking to capitalize on shorter-term market movements. How do option sellers use options? Option sellers often use options as income generation strategies. By collecting premiums, they aim to profit from time decay and stable or sideways market conditions. What are European-style options? European-style options in India can only be exercised at expiration. This key difference from American-style options affects trading and exercising strategies. It's important for novice traders in futures and options to thoroughly understand these terms and facts and